Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll find this lever that we'll pull. That pop was the safety releasing, so now we can open it from the front. If this is just really loose, you might check behind this carpet to make sure all the cables are still attached. Now up front, now that that's loose, we'll feel around here, and there should be a lever right here. So we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then we'll also use this arm to hold the hood up. So now we've got this holding it up. And this is what that lever looked like I was pushing. So again, make sure nothing's bent or broke it. Make sure there's no debris stuck down in here. But you can clean that up. Maybe spray some WD-40 if this is just sticking a lot. And then up top is where it was hooked onto. And then same with this side. This is where it was held by that safety lock. And then also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, because if this is crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.